time. 6 minutes, 22 seconds. That's how long it took me to walk from Islington subway station on the Bloor subway line to number 7, Mabelle Avenue, a new, modern, beautiful resort condominium in a great location. You are walking distance to great restaurants, shopping, bars on Bloor Street, and you're 10 minutes from Sherway Gardens, 15 minutes from the airport. Up there is Unit 2202, a stunning and spacious corner unit. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, floor-to-ceiling windows with amazing north-southwest views. 7 Mabelle Avenue, Unit 2202 is the perfect property in a great location at an amazing price. You want to see it? Of course you do. It's time for you to get living and live a great story. Let's go.